Hi guys, doing another garden update. So here are the radishes which are growing in the raised bed. I have 4 different kinds and they're almost an inch tall. And over here I have fenugreek growing, which I started from seeds. Onions, almost 8 inches, growing them for seeds. Here are garbanzo beans or chickpeas, which I have been soaking, and now they are almost ready to go in ground, and I'm gonna put them in. Here's a ginger. It actually came out. Our soil temperature reads almost 70 degrees and it sprouted. So I've been growing this indoors for last month and a half, and I see other sprouts coming. And there's turmeric in it which hasn't sprouted yet. Here's a tomato plant which I've been hardening off. It's big beef. And in the greenhouse I have the fleece covered all around, and at the bottom I am trying to harden off my plants in here. And in here you would see I have whole bunch of tomato plants growing, and peppers and eggplants, and up here cucumbers. So I'm trying to harden these off, and I can see some of these are not doing that great. I need to see what the issue is. Maybe they need water. But yeah. And over here I have radishes which have been here for last couple of months, and some of them are growing really big. And these are 2 types of beets I have going here. Sweet potatoes, they are developing slips which I'll be using to grow sweet potatoes. Those are marigolds, companion planting with tomatoes. And this is over a foot tall now. Our Spanish garlic, again over a foot tall elephant garlic. Onions planted in bunch have been growing steadily, so they are almost 2.5 3 inches tall. So I have one whole bed of onions right there, and under the cups here is lettuce, and those 4 cups have kale. In the back I have beans which I've sprouted indoors and planted them out, and there are 2 rows of peanuts which are growing in the raised bed. Here's how my potatoes are doing. I have a whole raised bed of potatoes, 5 different varieties. They did had some frost which killed the top leaves, but they came back strong and now growing super strong, so I'm really excited about that. Here are the carrots. So I have 6 different varieties of carrots. We're gonna primarily use this for juicing. So they've been growing steadily, and be exciting to see how they turn out. I've never grown carrots before. In the back of my backyard, here's my corn transplants which I've put in the ground. This is sweet corn, and in the middle of the sweet corn I have glass gem corn. So it'd be exciting to see how these guys cross pollinate and see if glass gem corn gives its color to the sweet corn. Some more beets. This is Chioggia, the ones with concentric red rings and white. And here are peas in the buckets. This variety grows like 6-8 feet tall, so seedlings are looking really, the plants are looking really healthy and happy. And over here, in each one of the bucket, I planted cauliflower. So once peas are done, I would get cauliflower, and this particular one is purple cauliflower, and these ones are green. So be exciting. Here is some sweet corn. This used to be my compost pile. I used compost, and whatever was left, I put sweet corn in there. And over here, it's tough to see, but these are giant sunflowers. So I put them, and if they grow, that's great. If they don't, we'll try them next year again. So, and some of these grow bags are ready to receive sweet potatoes. I usually put cucumbers in here so that they can go up the trellis and grow. And over here is the space reserved for tomatoes, and since I grow indeterminate type, to support them. Let me know how you like it, guys. Show us a video of your garden. I'll be excited to see it. Thanks.